Struggling to hit your daily protein goals? We've all been there. Whether you're aiming to build muscle, improve body composition, or just stay healthy, getting enough protein can be challenging. While carbs and fats are abundant in many processed foods, protein-rich foods often take more prep time and aren't as palatable. But don't worry, in this video I'm breaking down the top 10 foods that will easily help you add 100 grams of protein to your diet without the hassle. Let's get started. 1. Egg whites. Egg whites are a great quick protein source. You can pour them straight from a carton onto a pan and have them cooked in minutes. Each egg white contains about 4 grams of protein and almost no carbs or fats. If you're looking for 40 grams of protein, simply cook up a cup and a half of liquid egg whites and boom, you're set. 2. Canned tuna. Canned tuna is a no-brainer. Each can contains about 25 grams of protein, making it an easy on-the-go option. Flavored tuna pouches are even easier. You can eat them straight from the packet. They come in flavors like sweet and spicy, making them both convenient and tasty. 3. Protein powder. Whether it's whey, casein, or plant-based options like pea protein, protein powder is the easiest way to boost your daily intake. You can even enhance your protein shake with ingredients like peanut butter or milk to increase your protein count. If you're pressed for time, blending up a quick shake will give you an additional 40 grams of protein. Beef jerky. When you're on the go and craving a snack, beef jerky is an excellent high-protein, low-carb option. Just 1 ounce of beef jerky can provide around 12 grams of protein, and a small package can easily give you 40 grams of protein in one sitting. Plus, it's super portable. Rotisserie chicken. No time to cook? Pick up a rotisserie chicken. Not only is it delicious and juicy, but it can also supply all your protein needs for the day. One chicken provides around 80 to 100 grams of protein, making it a time-saving option. Deli meat. Many deli meats are high in protein and can be eaten on the go. Choose natural, minimally processed options with no added nitrates or nitrites. 4 slices of deli turkey or ham can give you 11 to 12 grams of protein, so make yourself a quick sandwich and you're on your way. Need a quick protein fix? Protein bars are a convenient option, but you should choose wisely. Many brands offer high protein with minimal fats and sugars. Each bar provides around 20 grams of protein, and they're just perfect for throwing in your bag for a snack. Hard-boiled eggs are simple to make and perfect for meal prep. Each egg contains around 6 grams of protein, and they're easy to pack for a protein-filled snack on the go. A couple of eggs can add 20 to 30 grams of protein to your daily total without much effort. Cottage cheese is packed with protein. Fat-free versions give you 13 to 15 grams per half-cup serving. Keep it in your fridge for a quick snack or add fruit for a tasty treat. It's easy to incorporate into your meals and snacks throughout the day. Sardines may not be everyone's favorite, but they're a great source of protein. A can of sardines in water provides around 13 grams of protein. While they're not ideal in every situation due to their strong smell, 2 cans can give you 26 grams of protein for a quick, no-prep meal. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can easily hit your protein goals without spending hours in the kitchen. Remember, building muscle or staying fit doesn't have to be complicated. Just keep these high-protein foods on hand, and you'll be well on your way to reaching your goals. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tips on hitting your fitness and nutrition goals. Check out my other videos, and let's crush those goals together.